want to see how I prepare this dish, guys? Just keep watching. So hello guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a super long time since I've posted anything, so before I get on into the video I need to apologize for that, guys. I am like so sorry. I'm super sorry. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot, this is my first video for 2019. Yeah, hey, it's a new year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. I know I'm a bit late, but it's still the new year, guys. You can't say it's still the new year. So happy new year to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers that's gonna come. Happy New Year to you guys as well. Happy New Year to everybody. Just happy new year from me to you. So if you watched my previous video, you might have seen a little hint somewhere in there that the follow-up video to that would have been either Korean or a Japanese dish. Even though I have not posted in such a lengthy time, I still wanted to follow through on that, so that's why this week's video is gonna be Japanese dish. It's gonna be a Japanese dish, yes. So I chose to prepare for you guys this week. I'll be doing Tonkatsu. So basically Tonkatsu is deep fried pork cutlets. Yes, deep fried pork. And you're like, deep fried pork? I was like, yeah, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna see how it turns out and how it tastes. So for those of you who aren't pork fans, you know, you can substitute the pork with chicken. Yeah. Don't ask me about anything else. I don't know about pork and chicken. I think you should try fish. I think fish would work as well, you know. What do you call that thing again? Deboned fish fillet. Yeah, it should work for that. But don't say that I sent you. Just experiment on your own. So okay, guys. So I'm gonna stop rambling on and on here. Let's head on over to the kitchen. Okay guys, so this is the pork that I'll be using to make my tonkatsu. As you can see, I've already pre-seasoned my meat. So I've used some salt, some black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and a little oregano. I totally forgot to get pork seasoning, so I just used the all-purpose seasoning instead. Normally what I see they do on the videos that I've watched is they'll just use salt and pepper to season the meat and fry it. I'm sorry guys, I do not believe that salt and pepper is enough seasoning for any meat at all. That's just not, I don't think so. I'm not gonna say it's a black thing to like over season meat, but I don't like just bare salt and pepper. So I chose to pre-season my meat so that the seasoning can soak into it, and I also use a fork to make some small incision in the meat so that the meat can absorb the seasoning a lot faster. So to make tonkatsu, you're gonna need eggs, flour, and the star of the show, breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna use a traditional style Japanese breadcrumbs. Basically this is called panko breadcrumbs. So if you like go to the supermarket like Mega Mart, you're gonna ask for Japanese breadcrumbs, like it's gonna be this secondary style. It's called panko breadcrumbs. So basically this breadcrumbs is made from white bread, or the white part of the bread. I think they have some special way of like baking bread, doing the bread to make this specific breadcrumbs. They have like a specific method where the bread does not get brown on the outside, like it doesn't form a crust. I did not do too much research on it, so I can't really give you as much details. If you guys want to know more about it, you can like Google it yourself. You know, as you can see, it's a lot lighter and fluffier than traditional breadcrumbs that we normally use on our chicken. You know, it's a lot lighter and crunchier. The reason why they use this type of breadcrumbs when they're deep frying in any Japanese cuisine is because this type of breadcrumbs absorb a small amount of oil, so it does not leave your meat oily or anything like that. So they use this type a lot. when they're deep fried in Japanese cuisine. I've noticed that Americans as well, or Westerners as they would call us, Westerners is slowly but surely going towards the panko breadcrumbs kind of movement, because it absorbs a little bit of oil, so it don't leave your fried item really greasy. It does not. So this is going to be the start of this week's show. So guys, you need to tenderize your meat. So for those of you who's going to be using your pork or your chicken, you're going to need to tenderize it. So basically you're going to take the back of your knife. If you have a mallet, that will be perfect, but if not, a knife is fine. I see them made some small incision here and a small incision there. I don't know why, I'm just following what I saw. Take the back of your knife and you're going to tenderize your meat. As you cannot skip the step of tenderizing your meat, you need to ensure that both sides of the meat is properly tenderized. And once you're finished, you will then place your meat in the flour and coat both sides. Ensure that the meat is not showing through. And once you're finished coating your meat with the flour, you will then move on to the egg mixture. So you do the same to ensure that both sides of your meat is coated thoroughly with the egg. As you can see here, I'm just lightly dusting off any excess flour before putting it in the egg mixture. Once you're finished coating your meat, you will then add it to the breadcrumbs. Ensure that both sides is coated thoroughly. You don't want it to be falling off when it's being deep fried. So ensure that both sides is coated thoroughly, and you can use your hand to also push in the breadcrumbs in your meat. Just lightly push it in so that when it's deep frying, it does not fall off. So here I go now with the second piece, and then just repeat the same step. So here I have my breaded pork. Time to add them to the guys. So my tonkatsus are finished. As you can see, I couldn't wait, so I've already taken a bite. But I wanted to show you guys something. So early on, I remember telling you guys that Japanese people prefer to use panko breadcrumbs as to the regular breadcrumbs that we normally use. So these just came out of the oil. They were deep fried. You're still at the top. Pressing. Now look at the amount of oil that got transferred to the napkin. Look, almost nothing. So can you say that if you were using traditional breadcrumbs, this would be the amount of oil that you got from deep frying something or whatever it is? Another one. Trying to transfer as much oil from the meat as I possibly can. Even when you went or go to traditional, you know, see, I applied 2 pieces of the pork to this. This is the amount of oil that got transferred to the napkin. So that is why Japanese prefer to use this style of breadcrumbs, because it, as I said, it soaks up less oil and it leaves your meat less oily. Now let me get you a bit close up. Let me zoom you in a little. Just look at the golden brown color. I'm trying to add effects. Okay, so Tonkatsu is normally served with shredded cabbage. I just added the tomato for a little pop of color and Tonkatsu sauce. Now I don't have any Tonkatsu sauce, so what I did was use ketchup and added some soy sauce to give it a little dark color, because Tonkatsu sauce is normally dark. I'm gonna get these pork nicely sliced up. Ooh. For those of you who are worried about whether or not the meat is properly cooked, being deep fried, here is your answer. So here you go guys, a traditional Japanese dish, Tonkatsu. Whoa. Get all up in it. So okay then guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment, because I'm going in right now on this Tonkatsu. Amazing. See you next time.
Look at my bun. My bun was so perfect. But now it's all wonky. But no fear when Tonkatsu's here.